So you've decided to incorporate in Ontario. Congratulations on taking the next step to build or grow your business. If you haven't yet incorporated and are doing research on the required steps, you can find a ton of great information on our channel and our website, which is linked in the video description below. If you've already taken the steps to incorporate and are wondering about the next stages of managing a corporation, we're here to guide you through it. I'm John with Ontario Business Central, and in this video, we will be discussing important requirements and considerations for after you have incorporated your business in Ontario. These considerations can be broken down into steps to take immediately after incorporating, ongoing requirements, and annual requirements. Let's start by discussing the initial steps for getting your corporation to the point where it can operate in accordance with provincial requirements. Establish a bank account for the corporation. A corporation is a separate entity from the shareholders/owners of the business. Unlike a registered business, a corporation requires its own bank account, which must be separate from any personal bank accounts. The corporate banking account keeps the funds and assets of the corporation separate from the individuals who operate the business. It provides a complete record of the business transactions, simplifies tax returns, and allows the corporation to be self-representing for credits, loans, and liability. Tax accounts. The corporation will automatically receive a business number or BN number as part of the incorporation process. This BN number is for the filing of corporate tax documents and is similar to a SIN number for individuals. Any subsequent tax accounts established, such as HST or payroll, are linked to the BN number with a varied letter identifier. For example, a corporate tax identifier is RC, a GST/HST tax identifier is RT, and a payroll tax identifier is RP, GST/HST tax account. The only time you are required to set up a GST/HST account is when the corporation earns more than $30,000 in a fiscal year. This is calculated over time, so whether it takes a month, 3 months, or a year to earn this amount, once you reach the $30,000 threshold, you have to set up a GST/HST account. Prior to earning this amount, it is at your discretion whether you set up the account or not. PST tax account. The payroll tax account is only established when you hire an employee and is not required prior to bringing someone on board who works for you. Tax filing timeframes. Regarding filing your first corporate tax return, you are able to put your tax return filing out as much as 18 months from when you originally incorporated. After the first year, the tax return filing is due yearly. If you wish to avoid interest and penalties, it is best to submit tax filings monthly or quarterly instead of waiting until the full amount is due. Now, let's review the different updates and yearly requirements for an incorporated business. Update or change to your corporate information. For companies incorporated in Ontario, it is mandatory to submit a notice of change within 15 days following any modifications to the business or individual address, or changes in the directors or officers. Maintaining up-to-date and precise corporate records with the province is crucial. Annual returns. Each year on the anniversary date of the incorporation, there is a mandatory annual return filing requirement whether there are any changes to the corporation or not. Every corporation in Ontario has to complete this filing to keep the corporation in compliance with the provincial government. Ontario Business Central makes the process very simple to either update your corporate records or to complete the annual return. As an extra feature, when you file the annual return with us, we keep track of the filing timeframe for subsequent years and will send you email reminders when it's time to file your return. The requirement of a Minutebook. In addition to keeping your corporate information up to date, you are required to maintain all corporate documents in an accurate and organized manner in your company's Minutebook. The Minutebook serves as the formal documentation of your corporation's actions, accessible to shareholders and creditors. It should include information such as articles of incorporation, corporation bylaws, registers of directors and shareholders, shareholders resolution, notices filed with the registry, share certificates, meeting minutes. Don't worry, Corporate maintenance is pretty easy, and it is made even easier with OBC. We can provide you with all the corporate supplies that your business needs, including easy-to-complete documents and corporate packages. As always, you will find these through our website, which is linked in the description below. Ontario Business Central makes incorporating your business simple. We help you submit all the mandatory documents and better understand the process of incorporating in Ontario. If you have any questions or special considerations, our team of experts is always available by phone, chat, and email. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. As always, thanks for watching and good luck with your new corporation.